Hi students, we are discussing about refractive index and critical angle and relation between critical angle and refractive index. So we shall do some problems on that concepts. For example, if speed of light in glass 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second, wavelength of light in glass 4000 angstroms, and relative refractive index of glass with water with respect to water is 9/8. What is the speed of light in water and wavelength of light in water? It is question. Speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Wavelength of light in glass is 4000 angstroms, and the relative refractive index of glass with respect to water is 9/8. So, what is the speed of light in water and wavelength of light in water? We can solve this problem by using relative refractive index, that is W mu z is equal to VW by Vg. It is already known. That implies VW is equal to W mu z into Vg. What is W mu z value? W mu z value is 9/8, and Vg is equal to 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So here 2 4 ja, 4 2 ja, 8, 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. It is speed of light in water. Then what is the wavelength of light in water? That also having W mu z is equal to lambda W by lambda G. Lambda W by lambda G. Lambda G is equal to W mu z into lambda G. This is called, what is W mu z value? That is 9/8 into lambda G is equal to 4000 angstroms. (4500 angstroms). It is wavelength of light in water. It is problem number 1. The wavelength of light in air is 4500 angstroms. And it incident at the interface, making an angle 30 degree with the interface, and after refraction that ray deviates towards the normal with 15 degree. So what is the refractive index of that medium, and what is the wavelength of light in that medium? and what is the velocity of that light in that medium. It is a problem. Here wavelength of light is 4500 angstroms and that light incidents at the interface making an angle 30 degree with the interface. So here it is interface. AB is interface. The light incident on the interface making an angle 30 degree with the interface. So it is 30 degree and it is normal. Generally the light traces the same straight line but it deviates towards normal with a 15 degree. Angle of deviation is 15 degree. Then he asked that what is the refractive index of this medium and speed of light in this medium and what is the wavelength of light in this medium. 3 points. Here it is the wavelength of light in air is say 4500 angstroms. So how can we solve this? It is given data. Here angle of incidence is that 60 degree. Angle of incidence is 60 degree. And angle of refraction is that 30 degree. 30 degree. So 45 degree. Angle of refraction is 45 degree because it is incident ray. It moves in straight line without any other medium. So the angle of incidence is 60 degree and it also if it moves in straight line that is 60 degree. So the angle of deviation is 15 degree. The angle of refraction is 45 degree. We know the relation or we know the what is Snell's law. That is mu is equal to sin I by sin R. It is a Snell's law. So angle of incidence is 60 degree and angle of refraction is 45 degree. So sin 60 degree by sin 45 degree. Yes, what is sin 60 degree and sin 45 degree value? That is, what is sin 60 value? That is root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. So root 3 by 2 into root 2 by 1. This is equal to root 3 by 2. Root of 3 by 2. It is refractive index of medium. Then we can find the speed of light in this medium and the wavelength of light in this medium. We know that mu is equal to C by V. The mu refractive index is that root 3 by 2. Root of 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 by V. This implies V is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 into this root of 3 by 2 comes towards right side. It converts as 2 by root 3. Then we can find the value of velocity of light. Then wavelength of light in this medium. That also be mu is equal to lambda air by lambda medium. That implies lambda medium is equal to lambda A into 1 by mu. that is equal to, what is lambda A? Wavelength of light in air, that is 4500 angstroms, into what is mu value? Mu value is root of 3 by 2. So 1 by root of 3 by 2 means it can also be written as root of 2 by 3. Then we can find the wavelength of light in this medium. In problem number 3, wavelength of light in vacuum is lambda naught. It travels normally through a glass slab of thickness T. Then find the number of waves of light in T thickness of glass slab, and mu is refractive index of glass. Here we want to find the number of waves of light in thickness T of glass slab. Number of waves is equal to thickness of glass slab by wavelength of light in medium. Wavelength of light in medium is equal to lambda naught by mu. Substitute this value in this expression. So number of waves is equal to T by lambda naught by mu, that is equal to mu into T by lambda naught. It is number of waves in that medium or in that glass slab.